What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And a couple months ago, I showed you the Rebellionaires. Then I showed you the Visionaires. Today we got the Heirloomiers. I'm just playing. The Jordan 1 Heirlooms, but they're in the same package as the Visionaires and the Rebellionaires, and this is a early review. Yes, sir. I don't know, I think I kind of like this box better. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. The Jordan 1 Heirloom. And I did a Heirloom review before, but it was a Nike Dunk, women exclusive. I'll try to find that and put that up there. But kind of similar as far as color. Kinda. That sneaker was gold and silver. This is like, if you mix gold with silver, I guess. This sneaker gives me all kind of vibes, guys. Rookie of the year. No, I'm not even going to go there. It doesn't give me that vibe. I was going to go, but being that I didn't say it, it means I didn't say it. Yeah. It's unclear to me what Jordan Brand is doing with the Rebellionaire, Visionaire, that whole packaging with the graffiti box. But I kind of like it. So this is an early review, like I told y'all. These come out September 24th, I believe. I got these early from my friends over there at In Clothing. I told you, man, my overseas friends are always going to help me out, man. But I think the reason why these sneakers are not sought after yet is because if you're looking, all the overseas websites are really getting this sneaker first. Like I told you, In Clothing, Foot Patrol, and I saw JD Sports UK. So I think that's the reason. But the other reason is the taxis. I feel like people are waiting on this pair. And these pairs drop on the same day. So I think people are more for these. If you haven't, check out my in-depth review. Jordan 1s are back if they stay in this material, in my opinion. So that's the reason. But either way, we're going to get into a full in-depth review of the Jordan 1 Heirloom right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So, not to beat a dead horse, but I'm going to say it one more time. You get the same boxing you get from the Visionaires and the Rebellionaire. Only difference is this box feels and look like a box. Cardboard box. As with the Visionaires, that lime green, that Volt green, it kind of was a lot glossy. And so was the black and gray on the Rebellionaires. This is like cardboard box. The Nike logo does have that sticker material, but everything else on the box is cardboard. The label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Vachetta Tan Black Cell. When you flip open the lid, inside they go your quality control stamp, your Nike swoosh, more cardboard like I told you. And you even get the paper in that same Rebellionaire look. But on top, under that, you get your regular OG Jordan 1 white tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. 360 view of the Jordan 1 Heirloom, or if you want to call it the Jordan 1 Vachetta Tan. That's all up to you guys. So me personally, I want to start right here with the toe box and the tongue. Because when I first pulled it out the box, it gave me Levi Jordan 4 vibes. As you can see, this black looks like it's jean material, and it feels just like it looks, guys. Front and back. Like, it looks like a black jean material, and it feels that way. So you got black on your toes, black tongue, even a black Nike Air logo here. Now, if this was an all-black Jordan 1, I would love that look. Being that y'all calling it Vachetta Tan, you got to show some Vachetta Tan look love on right here. At least right here. You got all black. You know what I mean? Show us some Vachetta there. But that's a small gripe. I like the all-black look. Now, if you look closely around the black, the toes, it looks wrinkled already. Now, I don't know if that's for the OG nostalgic look of the sneaker, or if they rushed this sneaker and the quality is not all the way there. That's for you to decide, but me personally, I feel like they missed a few checks on the quality, looking at it up close and personal. The inside is color blocked like I feel like the tongue should have been. But at least the inside is color blocked. You got a Vachetta leather Nike swoosh. Color blocked under that same black jean denim material look on the side. And that's in the inside. And that's also on the front. The Jordan 1 logo is blended in that same Vachetta Tan colorway. I feel like they could have added some black here, but that's what that is there. Of course, no tumbleness, because like I told you, this is like a mesh canvas. I think it's canvas. Yeah, a canvas material back there. But if you can look at it, it looks like some black denim jeans. Back of the shoe, they go that leather again. The leather kind of looks better on the back than it does on the front. But after that Vachetta leather, you get to the top, you get that same canvas material again. Very thick up here, but soft to touch. Your ankle should be okay. Now, in the inside of both shoes is a box. I guess Jordan Brand finally went away with the lace bags, and now they putting the laces in a box. So I guess it's to save the earth. Yeah, in the back right here, it says move to zero. This is the same logo you get on like the dunks I've been showing y'all, made from recycled material. So they move from the bags to the box. If you look in this box here, these laces are purple. When I get the other sneaker, we'll check that one and make sure the colors are the same. But that has purple in the Vachetta Tan. Alright, this is the left shoe here. In this box of shoelaces, move to zero. Looks to be red or infrared or orange. So you get two different laces, guys, two different colors, two different box packaging. Dope. Inside is all black, reads Nike Air in white. Again, on that canvas tongue, all black inside. And nothing's changed on the left shoe that we didn't see on the right shoe, but the shoelace changed in color. It comes laced in black. Again, I don't know why it's not more Vachetta Tan in this sneaker, being that that's what they're calling them besides the Heirloom. At the bottom, you get more of that tan, though. And I kind of like that photon dust gold look. I just feel like they didn't give us enough in this sneaker. Yes, sir. So to be honest, I really don't know what Jordan Brand is doing with the Rebellion there, Vision there, and now the Heirloom joints. But I love the packaging. Like, before I went to Crates, guys, I'm talking maybe 8 years ago, I had Jordan 1 boxes stacked. It was so hard stacking Jordan 1 boxes. And they all were the same color. So I'm happy for the packaging. I think the packaging is fire. As far as the heirlooms, I think this is a nice play. It's different. I like it. Far as the material, my right shoe looked kind of bad. The left shoe does look way better. So I really don't want to grade the quality, but it's not like the Jordan 1 taxis, guys. That's a different ball game. The Jordan 1 taxis might single-handedly bring Jordan 1 retros back, guys. If everything falls in line like that, we'll bring it back. The Vinchettas is a different story, is a different outlook. Recycle, move to zero. I see what they doing, man. Keep doing your thing, Jordan brand. Again, these come out Saturday. I didn't know when I was going to be able to drop the video. That's what the pause for. But these come out Saturday, September 24th. I don't know what retail is. I know I got it from In Clothing, and In Clothing be taxing. They duties and fees be kind of crazy. I think I paid $210 to get them shipped to me. But if you look on StockX or GOAT now, you can grab these for like $185, $190. Nice sneaker, man. It's so much other things coming out. I think they being overlooked. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.